Hello everyone, this side Dr. Bhupen Arman Chaurasia from Indian Foreign Medical Student Welfare MCI Gurukul Trust. Join it. Yeah, join this link among all your friends. Yes, all those, just join and share this because it is a very big fight. Everyone who are not in Delhi, come to Delhi. Guys, as all of you know that today we are going to MCI office, but Dr. Vats and MCI BOG, they just call the police people, and police are also doing their duty. Police is supporting us. We are not against the government. We are not against the police, Delhi police. We all are cooperating us. They are saying that they have detained us. We are not arrested. So I want to tell all those people who are not in Delhi, please, this is the time to stand for your rights. 2 days back, there were 3-4 suicides done by FMG students. MCI BOG is responsible for those suicides. MCI secretary is responsible for those suicides. We will not gonna back our home. Stay there in police station, and we will request to the police people to make us meet Dr. R.K. Vats. And I am not gonna eat anything till we will get the official advisory. I am doing protest, a hunger protest even in police station, and I am not gonna eat anything till we will not get the official advisory by Medical Council of India. Like they are giving extension, like they are giving promotion and reduction to NIT PG people, to DM MCH people, to MDS. They are doing for everyone. Now they have to do for all of us. They have to do for all FMGs. They have to give FMG pass percent reduction. They have to reduce the percentage from 50 to 30% for December exam, for August exam, and for all upcoming exam. And I am not with me. More than 15 FMG warriors are here, and more than 300 are already detained to different police station in Delhi. I want all of you who are in Facebook Live right now and watching us, kindly come and support it. We will not stop here. Police can detain us. Police is doing their job, and we doctors will do our job. We are supporting them. See, we love Delhi police. Thanks for support. Modi ji, we love you. We want justice. If you can do for NIT PG, if you can do for MDMS, why not for us? MCI BOG, give us justice. MFPP 30, let FMG serve. MCI is our motherland. I am on hunger strike. I will not eat anything. This is a big fight. All the coaching honors who are supporting all of us and telling that this is injustice happening to all the students. Sir, where are you? Don't afraid with the system. Change the system. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. See, this all are the innocent FMGs. They are just fighting for their rights. If you are not coming and joining us today, then you are not loving this FMG people. It is my request to all the association who really want to support this campaign. Come guys, it is the time to support us. MCI BOG, give us justice. The same thing you are doing for NIT PG people. You are doing NIT PG reduction from last 4 years. You are doing reduction to MDS. You are doing reduction to all those people. Then why not for FMGs? You have to do it. All those who are sitting in Patna, Bihar, Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Jammu, Kashmir, Haryana, Punjab, Chhattisgarh, all you have to come. If you can, just isko upar kar beta, isko upar kar. If you did for, isko paas mein lana. If you did for NIT PG, MDS, nation, we want to serve motherland India. All those people who are watching this video, please viral this video among your friends, among your family. Delhi police is supporting us. And we are also supporting Delhi police. The time they have detained us, we have not shown any violent behavior. We have cooperated them and we simply came in the bus and sit. And I am telling you this again and again to all those people, all those medical mafia, all those medical coaching mafia who are trying to stop this thing. We are together. We are family of 40 lakh people. Dr. Bhupen Chaurasia, myself, I will be on hunger strike till I will not get a justice. Dr. R.K. Vats, you can hide behind the Delhi police, but Delhi police is a honest police. They know that innocent doctors are asking something for their... This is our message to Delhi police. Love you, Delhi police. Thanks for your support. They have not arrested us. They have detained us. And I know Delhi police is supporting us. And this is my message to all those FMG warriors. Please don't sit and don't watch the video. Come and be a part of this change. This is a history. We are asking for MFPP 30. We are asking for the independence. We are asking for the independence for foreign medical graduates. We are asking for the justice. We are asking for the justice, guys. This is the time to be united. This is the time to be together. All those people who think that we have any hidden agenda, this is our agenda, guys. We are here in sweat. Police has detained us and we are fighting for the rights of FMGs, and we will not stop it till Dr. R.K. Vats, MCI BOG will give us the official advisory. And this is my message to all the bureaucrats sitting in medical education. Dr. Sanjay Roy, Nipun Vinayak, Amit Biswas, all those people, you will gonna have to give us the justice, because it is not about one or two FMGs. It is about the equality. We all are Indians. We all want to serve the motherland. All those people who are watching our video, don't sit at home. Take a flight, take a car and come and join us. I am not going back my home. Even police will say go back home. I am not going back home because Delhi police have detained me and I am going to meet Dr. Vats. So now it is my request to Delhi police that they have to make us meet Dr. R.K. Vats. And it is my request to Modi sir, our honorable Prime Minister sir, please give justice to this FMGs. This foreign medical graduate doctors are citizens of India. We love you, Modi ji. We want the justice. I know you are working 18 hours for the welfare of 140 crore people, but this is the time to please come and give justice to those FMGs who need it. All those people who are just coming with the crocodile tears that this is the life of FMG. I know all FMGs are suffering, but what you are doing right now, we need your support. All the coaching people, if you are really caring about the students, you have to come and support this. And you are doing advertisement of new batch, all the association who are supposed to tell that they want to support FMGs, where are you guys? Come and support. No, I don't drink any water. I don't eat any food. I want justice for my FMG brothers and sisters. I want a justice and we will get a justice, guys. This is the time for justice. Please share this video with maximum people. And they have detained us and we are taking to some police station. भैया कौन से पुलिस स्टेशन ले जा रहे हैं हमें? जाफरपुर कला पुलिस स्टेशन. They have detained us. Our more than 200 plus FMG warriors are in Dwarka police station sector 23 and many have detained to different places. They are trying to divide us. The MCI BOG is trying to hide behind the Delhi police. But they can't, because we are not against the government, we are not against the PM Modi, we are not against the medical ministry, we are against the bureaucracy. This bureaucracy is eating the Indian system. These bureaucrats are corrupting the whole thing. They are killing the innocent FMG doctors. So we have to raise our voice. I am not criminal, I am a doctor and I want to serve in this COVID-19 situation. More than 1 lakh doctors want to serve the motherland. So guys, it is about your life. It is about your equality. We want equality. Like the justice all others are getting, like the reduction all NIT PG are getting from last 4 years. All DMMCH people are getting, all MDS are getting. In India, Unani, Ayurvedic, homeopathic, veterinary, all are practicing the allopathy, but we, 1 lakh doctor who already graduated from the reputed university of around the world, and those university are listed by Medical Council of India. Medical Council of India take 2000 rupees for the eligibility, and they tell, yes, go to those university. We want justice, guys. We want justice. We have to come together, and my voice will never gonna stop. My hidden agenda is the agenda of welfare of 40 lakh people. I am not gonna drink any water. I am not gonna eat anything till we will get the justice. We will get the justice. We want equality. We are not outsiders. Our passport is Indian. We all are Indians. All those media people who are watching this, you are raising this issue. It is about the equality for us. So we are ending this video right now, and I hope all of you will come and join us. It is about your voice. I am fighting for your rights. Come guys, support us. We need all of you. This is the high time to be united. Everyone, it is not about those who already cleared the exam. You are also suffered when they have started internship mandatory for you. I was the one who fight for you. All those who have appeared in the examination on provisional basis, we were there for fight for you. All those who already cleared the examination and telling that 90 marks is not justified, please guys, come on. Cheer up your juniors, cheer up your junior brothers and sisters. They need you. They need you right now. We want justice and we will get the justice. जय हिंद, जय भारत. FMGs को इंसाफ चाहिए. डॉक्टर RK वत्स, MCI BOG, हमको इंसाफ चाहिए. We want the justice and we will get the justice.